You know, the other day I made some apple pie biscuits and they were absolutely delicious. But I think there's another one that might even top the apple pie. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. You know, I've been playing around in the kitchen a little bit today and I thought it might be fun to try just making our own little recipe. This one's going to be a little spin-off of our apple pie biscuits we made the other day. Today I'm feeling a little blueberry-ish, so we're going to make blueberry pie biscuits with a lemon glaze. Let's go. Okay, you want to take 1.5 to 2 cups of blueberries. Put them in a pot. You want to add 1/4 cup of sugar. Next, you want to add about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I don't have fresh lemons, so I'm using this. Turn your stove on about a medium heat. We're going to let this start cooking down. I'm going to add in a couple of tablespoons of water. You want to get a skillet ready to put your biscuits in. You want to grease this skillet with some butter. The skillet's all greased up. Preheat your oven to 375. You're going to melt a couple of tablespoons of butter in the microwave. I'm using frozen biscuits for this, just like I did in the apple pie biscuits, only this time there's 3. That's what was left in my package. You want to make sure that you thaw your biscuits first. I'm going to take a little bit of water and I'm going to mix a spoon of all-purpose flour into it. I'm going to make a little slurry that's going to thicken up our pie filling. Oops, I made a mess. Whisk your flour around in this little bowl with your water. And when your blueberry mixture on the stove comes to a boil, you're going to want to add this in. Our blueberry mixture has started to boil, so we're going to add in our flour slurry. You want to get that flour slurry stirred around in your blueberry pie filling. And I'm going to turn these on a low heat and just let them simmer for a little while. I took about 1/8 cup to 1/4 cup of sugar, put it in a small bowl. I put 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in it, just kind of made it a crumble. You want to dredge your thawed biscuits through the butter. Place them side by side in the pan. Now take your lemon sugar mixture and just sprinkle it all over the top. Next, take your blueberry pie filling that you just made. You want to put it all over the top of the biscuits. Any that you have left, so I have some left, you can do more biscuits with, or you can top pancakes with that. Take the rest of your butter, pour it in, just pour it over those biscuits. Sprinkle some of your remaining sugar on top. Alright, it's ready to go in the oven at 375 for about 35 to 40 minutes. I've got about 2 tablespoons of buttercream frosting in this bowl. I'm going to melt it down and then we'll add our next ingredient. Okay, my frosting is melted down. I'm going to add in a little bit of my lemon juice. Stir it around. I added a couple of more squirts to mine. It made it the perfect taste. I mean, you want to taste it and make it your own. When our lemon blueberry pie biscuits come out and they cool a little bit, we'll put our glaze on. I had a little bit of the blueberry pie filling left. That's going to make the perfect blueberry syrup to top some pancakes with. So that has just went on my menu for dinner one night this week. Blueberry pancake. I've got my blueberry pie biscuits out of the oven. They're cooling. They've been out for a few minutes. Okay, you want to take your lemon glaze that you've made. If you don't use buttercream frosting, you can make you a glaze with powdered sugar and a little milk and add you some lemon flavor in it, or leave it as is. But I'm going to take my lemon glaze and I'm just going to drizzle it all over the top of that biscuit. So there you go. Blueberry pie lemon glazed biscuits. It looks absolutely delicious. So that's it for this video. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.